How do you feel about your new remodel?
I love my remodel in the bathroom. It's excellent. I can't say enough about it. I am very pleased. I and my husband Stevie, we're super stoked about the bathroom.
Awesome, I love that. And how did you feel about your specialist?
The specialist was very friendly, always calling to see, how things were going. And she always let me know what was coming next and what time they would be there around, or if something were to happen like that. And I was just pleased. I was just happy.
Love it. Was there any team member that stood out to you?
The team that actually came and did the shower.
Jeez.
That would be Roger and Sandra. So, like I said, she even vacuumed. I don't get that, She vacuumed the carpet. Can you believe that?
Oh
wow.
I love it. And how'd you feel about our pricing?
The pricing was good. I even liked because Clarissa, she gave us $1,000 off, off the project because we're seniors.
And what was the best part of your experience?
The best part of the experience is that it was done within 3 days, again, 3 days, and everybody was friendly, and the work was completed as, before a week. I am just over the moon.
I love that. And did we go that extra mile for you? And if we did, how?
Well, yes, you did. Because of the time of completion, the workmanship especially, is the workmanship. You can't beat the workmanship. I even sent pictures to my family, to let them see the outcome of it. And they can't believe it. They said, wow, it's just beautiful. The materials, everything.
And what was your favorite feature in the new remodel?
My favorite feature is I like the material that was used to put against the wall. Overall, I just like it's just so cohesive. Everything looks good. There's not one specific thing that I really like. So, just the whole thing. How about that? The whole thing.
Would you be willing to refer us to a friend or a family member? And
yes,
if you
I
were
did.
to refer us, what would you say to them?
Oh, well, what I told her was that, they did an awesome job, and I put on the team as far as coming in, doing the job within 3 days. And then I sent her pictures, photos of it. I texted to her while I had her on the phone, and she was like so impressed. She said, thank you again for such a beautiful, awesome job.
Thank you.